got a 2011 Chevrolet Orlando 2 litre with an LNP engine. Don't see many videos for these online, so this is why we're doing one. We're changing the thermostat because the coolant reading's only going to a quarter at the moment, which is subsequently stopping it from doing a DPF regeneration. So we're going to change the thermostat, which is down here. Got to remove this pipe and move the power steering pump out the way underneath to be able to get to it. So to be able to do that, we've got to take the wheel off as well to get to the belt. Take the belt off, so we're going to do that. As soon as I've got the wheel off, we will be back. Right, we've got the wheel off. Now we need to pop this half of the arch out. So got a clip up here, one here, screw in here, and a screw underneath here. I'll take them out and then come back. Right, we've got the arch out. I'm going to take this off just for when we put the belt back on, just to make sure it goes back on this wheel properly. So I'm going to pop that off quickly. Right, we've got that off. It's 3 bolts, 10mm bolts. Ready to get the belt off when we get to it. We need to remember how the belt is routed as well. Draw a picture normally. We're going to go up here now. And we're going to pop this pipe off now, and this airbox out and this clip off. The airbox literally just pulls out. Just undo this bolt here and this clip here, or here if you prefer. Just remove this out of the way and then I'll come back. Right, we've got that out. It's got this rubber bit on the bottom as well that goes into this hole. Make sure that goes back in after. And there's a little pipe that goes in here as well, which is that one right there. Now I'm going to take the belt off. Which is right there. You can normally get a bar to go through the middle here and onto it there, get enough on it, and then lock it off with a pin if you can. Oh, can't see it, in the hole right there. If you've got something to put in there, a drill bit if you can get it in there, or a small bolt, or the actual pin would be good. Once I've got the belt off, I'll come back. We've got the belt off. Now there's 3 bolts to get the pump off. I'll try not to disconnect it from the lines, so I don't have to repump it through afterwards. So there's 1 bolt at the top here, 1 in the middle down the side, and 1 at the bottom. And you have to turn the wheel. The wheel's got holes in it. Turn the wheel and put the socket through the hole. Undo them. Try and pop the pump off and come back. Got the pump off. Should have just enough movement to get it out of the way, like so. Get to the bolt down here. You can see I can't point to it because I'm holding it out of the way. And 1 on the bottom, but you should be able to get to them now. This stops you from getting to the top one, so that's why we have to move this out of the way. I'll get them undone and get to the thermostat and come back. Right, I actually popped this holder, this clip, out of this hole, and it actually gave me loads of room to pump to get the pump out of the way. So we've got the bolts out down here. I'll release it off. Get the water out. And there's the thermostat. Pop it out if we can. Okay. I need 2 hands, I'll come back. Got it out, no problem. Chuck that one up there. Nice new one there. Before we put that in, the rubber hasn't come out with the old one. Pull that out, and I'm going to give it a little clean up quickly before I put the new one back in, just to make sure that there's no leaks afterwards. Right, the thermostat's all back in. I'm not going to video every part putting it back together because it's a waste of time. It's quite obvious, you just do it in reverse. So I'm going to get it back together and give it a test, check for any leaks, and then if all is good, try and run a DPF regeneration again and see if it actually works this time. Right, we have no leaks, and the needle now goes to near halfway as it should, so I'm going to do a DPF regeneration again and see if it works. Success, finally. Had a nightmare with this car. If you have any faults for intake manifolds, glow plug control modules, glow plugs, DPF sensors, anything, temperature problems, it won't do a DPF regeneration. So you need to make sure everything's clear and everything's running properly for it to do the regeneration. These are known for it. I don't do this for likes and subscribes, so like and subscribe, or don't. I couldn't care less. Hope this video helps someone.